Somebody, please!
What are you doing? He was gonna assault the lady. I will not abide by that.
Come on, kid. Bet those keys.
I can't. Someone else might win them.
So you're here to win the dead off your pa's land? This scrubby piece of godforsaken dirt ain't worth nothing more than poor farming. Yeah, what you gonna do with it? Farm it?
Fix it. Farm it. Raise some good kids worth passing it on to.
The best thing you can do, walk away with your winnings. I mean, you're sinning just by being here, ain't that right? You sell that worthless patch of earth to someone who can bear the debt.
What, like your uncle?
Like my uncle, sure. You don't need the spurring. You start going to one of them mega churches. Find yourself some smoking preacher's daughter now. Don't that sound nice?
You know what? You do that, Tate. I'll make it work here. Turn this town back to what it used to be.
Tate, shut your mouth.